Hey everybody, this is Altcoin Daily's definitive guide to the Fold app. As you can see, I'm screen recording right in front of you, and in today's video we're going to do a complete walkthrough. I'm actually going to make a purchase right in front of you, and you're going to see that I'm earning Bitcoin back. Also, I'm going to show you how to get them to send you 20,000 Satoshis free. It's pretty simple. All you have to do is download the app and make sure you use the special referral code. Link is in the description. Make sure you watch the whole video today. This is an app that I use on, I'm not exaggerating, I use this app on almost a daily basis. And as I show you everything and as I explain, I think you're going to understand why. This is the main screen of the app. You can see at the top right corner, I've already racked up about 426,000 Satoshis. If we scroll down, we can see how much Bitcoin I could get back percentage-wise with each business. Anyways, scrolling back up to the top, let's talk more about the Satoshi kickbacks. So if we click on that blue button in the upper right-hand corner, these are my kickbacks. The question is, what are kickbacks? They do a good job educating. They say, kickbacks are how we reward you for shopping with the Fold app. As you shop, you earn a percentage of your purchase back in sats. A sat, short for Satoshi, is the smallest denomination of Bitcoin. As you shop, you'll earn more sats in kickbacks. Track your sats in the upper corner of the app and watch them stack up. You can spend them immediately within Fold, and soon you'll be able to withdraw your sats to your own personal wallet. Keep shopping and keep stacking sats. Very nice. Anyways, going back to the main page, in the opposite upper corner, in the left corner, you see the gift right here. So if we click on that, you can see that this is where you get your referral code. And then this is what you'd send a friend or post it on your social media. And this is how you can earn 20,000 Satoshis when you refer your friends. Anyways, let's actually make the purchase now. I want to buy something and get Satoshis back. The way this works is you buy gift cards to any of these places, and then you earn Bitcoin back for the purchase of the gift card. So I eat at Chipotle, maybe sometimes multiple times a week. So I buy the Chipotle gift cards. So you click on Chipotle. I have bought, the last one I bought was for $25. This time I'll buy a $50 Chipotle gift card. If I wanted, I could use the Satoshis that I've already accrued and apply it to this purchase. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to wait till the market goes up a little bit more, and that way I can get more bang for my Satoshi buck. But you can see here that with this particular purchase, I would be earning 1.5% Bitcoin back for a total of over 10,000 Satoshis for me. So I click buy card, and there we go. So you can see that now I have more Satoshis on my kickback meter. And also, I now own a $50 Chipotle gift card. And it's really easy to just copy and paste this gift card into the Chipotle app. Or if you buy an Amazon gift card, it's really easy just to copy and paste the Amazon gift card into your Amazon account. What I like to do with Chipotle is I like to, double dip and earn double points, because once I put the Chipotle gift card into my Chipotle app, they have their own credit-based program. It's just a cool way to double dip. It's like I earn the Bitcoin, I earn Chipotle credit. And you can do this with anything. You can do this with Amazon, Uber, Starbucks, travel, anything. So that's the Fold walkthrough. I hope you got value in this video. I think you can see why I like it. I think you can see why non-cryptocurrency people might be drawn to this. And this is a cool way for even the most non-technical person to earn Bitcoin. And if they keep their Bitcoin in their app, they're going to get to see how their Bitcoin grows in value, hopefully. Anyways, if you have your own Fold referral code, feel free to post it in the comments below. Or maybe it'd be a good idea to make your own referral code and then maybe post this video on either your social media or send it to a friend, but then tell your friend to use your code. And this is a cool way for them to see what this thing is all about.